Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36, reference number 116234. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so as of May 2018, you can get this watch from an authorized Rolex retailer for $9,900 plus tax, or you can check out our website at JazTime.com for the most up-to-date pricing. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the dial. The dial follows Datejust's very basic dial architecture, which is the crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of the date. The hour markers we have here are diamond hour markers fashioned in 18 karat white gold, and the hands match with those hour markers by being a solid 18 karat white gold as well. And that's to prevent any tarnishing for the watch. The dial color I have here is a pink dial color, so the combination is a pink dial with diamond hour markers. Of course, with being a Datejust is a very dressy watch. There's numerous different kind of configurations that the Datejust has. Specifically for the diamond hour markers, as you see here, if you're not interested in the pink style dial, it also comes in a blue, black, silver dial. If you're not interested in feeling that luxurious, you want to tone it down a bit and go to more simpler hour markers such as the index hour markers or Roman numerals, you can get it within those same colors. Again, that's a silver, blue, black, white, or pink. And there's also special Arabic numerals where it is a silver dial with blue Arabic numerals. If you want to tone it up a bit more, you can also get it in the mother of pearl dial. So you can get it in the white, dark, or pink mother of pearl with diamond hour markers. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the bezel now. The bezel is a very beautiful fluted 18 karat white gold bezel. The flutedness helps capture light in different portions of the dial, in different portions of the bezel to add a nice shine and more eye-catching appeal as it tilts in different various light sources. Moving on to the case now. The case is a 904L steel case. Same can be said with the bracelet as well, made of the 904L steel, and that's an in-house made steel by Rolex that has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it than an industry standard steel. As the name suggests, it is a Rolex Datejust 36, so this is a 36mm watch from my index finger to my thumb here. That's 36mm in diameter. The side of the case, nicely high polished to match with the sides of the bracelet. Same thing on the other side as well. Nice high polish from the side of the case on the sides of the bracelet. The lugs of the case match very beautifully with the high polish and the fluted bezel. As you can see, nice high polish traveling with the fluted bezel, high polish straight down to the bottom of the lugs, and then that matches with the starting high polish of the bracelet as well. Moving on to the crown functions now. The crown is just a simple screw down twin lock double waterproofness system. Simply unwinds counterclockwise as shown. And that'll open up to the first position in which you can wind the watch going clockwise from a dead stop. About 15 to 20 clockwise winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. A simple tugging of the crown will put you in the next position. And that allows you to adjust the date instantaneously as shown by going clockwise. Very simple, very easy to use. And in the final position of the crown, they'll stop the seconds hand or the hack movement, allowing for precise time settings to such things as an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds while being able to set the date, set the time. Pressing the crown back in, we'll start that seconds hand once more. And always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistance for its 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, we have a Jubilee style bracelet. It's a 5-piece link bracelet, as I mentioned before, made out of the in-house made steel from Rolex and 904L steel. Nice high polish down the center of the three-piece portions of the link, while the outer of the 5-piece links are nice sand finish to give a nice contrast to the high polish to bring more shine out of it. As you can see, the pattern goes throughout the whole bracelet. Nice continuous pattern, only to be broken up by the Rolex crown logo in the center of the bracelet, and that's actually where the clasp is located, known as the concealed folding crown clasp. It opens up to reveal these clasp blades, nicely high polished with the Rolex name embossed onto one of the clasp blades there. So that's how it looks opened up. And once again, I'll show you how that looks closed. Oops. There it is closed, nice and hidden behind the bracelet. Okay, but if you're not interested in the Jubilee style bracelet, Rolex does offer this in the Oyster style bracelet, which is a 3-piece link bracelet, still following the same pattern where it's satin finish on the outer of the links and a high polish down the center. Okay, moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in a simple oyster case backing. Is Rolex's tried and tested movement. It's their 3135 movement, perpetual mechanical self-winding movement, and it's a very reliable movement as Rolex uses the 3135 movement in sports pieces as well, such as the Rolex, the Sea Dollar, the Deep Sea. That 3135 movement can be found there as well. It has the simple functions of the center hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date while stopping of the seconds hand for precise time setting. And additionally, it is within Swiss specs with a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day. The oscillator is a paired magnetic blue parachrome hairspring, which allows for resistance against magnetism, and a power reserve is approximately 48 hours. That 48 hours means you can put this watch on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist. One thing to keep in mind, I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. There we are. So a little bit of room to spare. Absolutely gorgeous watch. Look at that pink sunburst style. You can see the light kind of reflecting off of it in various portions of the dial. A little bit darker in some parts. That nice darkening contrast matching with that light, a very heavy light sunburst. Absolutely works beautifully together. The profile of the watch, not too high, as you can see, it doesn't sit too high off my wrist. Will fit under your suit cuffs and dress cuffs very nicely. There's a bracelet, just absolutely gorgeous, continuous pattern of that Jubilee bracelet. Okay, so if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.